Yizingxoxo lezi ezabe zibheke kakhulu ukuthi zilethe ithemba elisha ngeningizimu Afrika entsha. Kulapho ke nosuku lwavela khona lapho kuzoyiwa khona okoqala ngqa okhethweni olukhululekile lwentando kaHulumeni yabantu nolwamenyezelwa osengumengameli njengamanje uCyril Ramaphosa,
as well as the resolution on the setting of an election date within 4 weeks as a clear victory for the negotiating process. These two decisions have raised, in our view, the stature of the negotiating process. They will serve to invest more hope and confidence by the millions of our people.
Iningi labavoti alizange likholwe ngesikhathi sekwenzeka likubona sekufika usuku oluyinqamla juqu.
To me, it's a great day because it's my first time voting since I was born, meaning in South Africa as a whole, it's for the first time. So I'm so happy, I'm excited, and I'm going to vote for my party, which is it's confidential.
How do you feel about the fact that you're voting for the first time?
Very happy because it's something that we've been looking for a long time, years and years. And many people have died for it, so we feel very great.
Do you think that your vote is going to make a difference?
I don't know.
What does it mean to you to have voted today?
Hey, it means a lot of things because it's the first time here in South Africa to vote, and it's a history for our kids.
Isizwe lapha kwabonakala sengathi sesikuthole konke kanti konke lokho kwakungenabo ubulungiswa sesikushiye ngemuva.
What have we said to alienation and division? And we have said a loud and reverberating yes to freedom. What have we said to freedom? What have we said to reconciliation? Yes. What have we said to forgiveness? What have we said to peace? What have we said to unity?
Lukhulu ke libhekiwe kulolu khetho lwangonyaka ozayo njengoba namaqembu emaningi kanti futhi nomthetho omusha usugunyaza nalabo abangenele ukhetho behamba ngabodwana ukuthi bengakwazi ukumelwa izifundazwe kanjalo nakuzwe lonke.